The transaction status and date fields are very important for management to understand their cash flows, so filling in these fields is extremely important. The status field with the options open, closed, and cancelled allows you to control how the information populates the reporting section. The start date is the date on which the agreement between the buyer and seller or landlord and tenant is signed, and the transaction is officially in process. The expected closure date is the date on which you expect the transaction to close and the commission to be due. It is important to show when you are reasonably expect a transaction to close, and it affects the sales volume performance report as well as other important reports. The closure date is the actual date on which the transaction officially closes. It is important to show when a transaction has been closed, and it affects the sales volume performance report as well as other important reports.